Hi, Gretchen with Yoga and Herb here today with the video on Rhodiola Rosea, an adaptogenic herb that works similarly to ashwagandha. It's not a nightshade, so if you have nightshade allergies, this one may be for you. Plus, it has bonus benefits, like super bonus benefits. Stay tuned to find out what. Welcome back. Gretchen with Yoga and Herb with your Rhodiola Rosea video. Rhodiola Rosea is an herb that is used for stress management. It's used for other things, and we'll get to the bonuses in a moment. Today's purposes is for stress management. How it does this is it works with your hypothalamus, pituitary, adrenal axis. So those are three different portions of your body that secrete hormones that put you into fight, flight, freeze, keep your body stressed. Two of them are located at the base of your brainstem, and the adrenals are glands that are located on top of your kidneys. So the way Rhodiola works is it communicates with all three of those areas and tells your body, no, we're not stressed out. We need to have a little help kind of tamping down these hormones, the cortisol, the ascorbic acid, all of that make our body go into that flight, fight, freeze, which is great if you're being attacked by an animal. You really need that rush of hormones, but on a daily basis, you don't. On a daily basis, if you are stressed out and you're receiving even a little bit of those hormones, you could be causing a lot of detrimental injuries to your body, your heart, other systems. Now, Rhodiola, like I said, it tamps down that hormone production, so it will help send your parasympathetic nervous system into rest and restore, allowing your brain to tell your body, we're not stressed out anymore. Let's stop producing those hormones. Stop having all those damaging effects on your body. The Rhodiola is also an anti-inflammatory and an anti-anxiety, so it will help calm down those anxiety levels and bring that inflammation down. When you have inflammation in your body systems will automatically address that inflammation before they address anything else. So that removes that part. Rhodiola has some bonus things in there too. We have a lot of anti-aging things in there. It's great for people who have fibromyalgia because of the anti-inflammatory and the anti-anxiety. It is also really great for people who are going through chemo. There's some chemo protective benefits in there. The Rhodiola also will help your cell with cell proliferation of the bad cells and keep those healthy cells healthy. It does aid in a lot of that, the chemo treatments that you're receiving, and it helps take away some of those side effects from chemo, which is really, really great if you're going through chemo. It is especially helpful with urinary and kidney cancers. So I hope some of this information helps you with your herbal quest to control your stress, get back into your natural state, and find out who you truly are without all of that extra going on in your brain. Until next time, namaste. Quick follow-up. The safe milligrams are going to be between 200 and 500 milligrams. Consult with your physician to find out what's best for you. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, please hit that subscribe button. Now, until next time, namaste.